Good morning, friends. This is my beautiful granddaughter, Macy Layton, and she's going to teach us how to do breakfast oatmeal. I had a large family, and we tried to have a hot breakfast every morning. And if I had known this secret, which I believe it's been discovered since I had my children, it would have been an easier morning, because this is a healthy breakfast, and yet it's a quick breakfast, and one that you can even grab and take on your way. So Macy is going to be our instructor today, and you'll find the recipe at a link below, and I hope you enjoy this.
Hi, so I'm making overnight oats. To start, well, the ingredients are 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, or you can do half of each, 1 teaspoon of syrup, 1 spoonful of protein, and whatever fruit you want.
And how much does that make, Macy?
This recipe is 1 pint.
1 pint. And so here, she's got all of her stuff laid out, and we're gonna watch Macy put these together. It looks like you've got a variety. Are you gonna make some different flavors?
Yes, I'll be making a blueberry, strawberry, peach, and a chocolate peanut butter.
Oh, it sounds yummy already. I can hardly wait till tomorrow morning.
So to start, we'll put a 1/2 cup of oats in each.
And are you using quick or the regular old-fashioned oats?
Old-fashioned oats.
Do you like these better than quick?
Yes.
Have you tried the other?
Yes, these just taste better with all the ingredients.
I imagine it keeps its texture and shape a little better than the quick ones.
Yes.
So Grandpa and I are gonna have 8 pints, all different colors and tastes and textures. And I think that's what's nice about this, isn't it, Macy? Is you basically can try to mimic anything your family likes, right?
Yes. And you don't have to eat these on the first night you make them.
Do you know how long they last?
Ours have lasted 3 or 4 days. That's the longest we've gone.
Now, tell me if it's true. Did your little brother even come home and use these as a snack after school?
Yeah, he loves them.
That's what your mama said. And he's only what, 12?
13.
13?
Yeah.
So to get a 13-year-old boy to eat healthily is worth learning this skill.
So now you're gonna do a 1/2 cup of liquid. We're using almond milk.
This is almond milk. Have you used any other liquids?
I've used normal milk, but
Have you ever tried coconut or rice milk?
no, just almond.
I'm sure soy, rice, coconut,
Oat milk. You could use oat milk.
yeah. What got you interested in this, Macy?
Just it's quick, easy breakfast on school days. And so I decided to learn how to make them.
And you enjoy cooking, don't you?
Yes.
Do you experiment often?
Yes, I do.
That's good. Some young man's going to be very blessed to be able to have you. Grandma's almond milk got pushed back, and it kind of got slushy and frozen, so it's taking her a little while to get the allotted amount out.
Okay, so after that, you will do a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Should I still use this?
Sure, use that and it'll keep it from getting dirty around the rim. So this is yogurt, a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Have you tried any other flavors besides vanilla or whatever?
I've actually used coconut yogurt before.
Coconut, okay.
That's good.
I imagine any flavor would do, wouldn't it?
Yes.
So if you've got a favorite yogurt, use it. Have you tried Greek yogurt? Have you tried just regular yogurt, all of that?
Yeah, either of them work.
Okay. And what have we got today? Do you know?
This is Greek vanilla yogurt.
It's Greek yogurt, all right. It's looking yummy, and it's got some very healthy things in it.
So we just finished the yogurt, and if you use a 32 ounces of yogurt, it would perfectly do 9 pints.
9. So we had a little yogurt left over. So if you did 9, you'd be a perfect proportion for 32 ounces. Okay.
So next is the chia seeds and flax seeds. And you can do 1 tablespoon of each, or you can do half a tablespoon.
I like chia better than I do flax. So do me only 2 with flax.
Okay.
And let's do half and half.
Okay.
Okay, and all the rest we'll do with chia. Grandma's not a very good filmer. I was talking and wasn't even paying attention. We may have to bring the professional back. That's Grandpa, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. So you're doing 6 chia, and then what will you do on the last 2?
We'll do half a tablespoon of flax and half a tablespoon of chia seeds.
Yeah. And flax is excellent for us to stay regular in the morning if we need that help. Chia definitely is beneficial to our health, and so these are wonderful ingredients to be able to be adding to our diet, something we don't get very often. Perfect. And we'll even mark the 2 when we put the lids on so let's make those 2 different flavors.
Okay.
But that way Grandma and Grandpa know if we prefer the flax in or out, okay?
So next is syrup, and this is your sweetener.
What kind of syrup are you using?
This is maple syrup, but you can use any syrup.
And it's 100% maple syrup. This happens to be, I know that's very expensive. You could use honey, you could use agave, you could use stevia, or you could actually leave your sweetener out if you happen to be diabetic, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do 1 teaspoon of this.
Straight from the maple tree.
And you can do more or less if you want it sweeter.
Okay. But did Nash, your brother Nash is who I'm referring to, did he enjoy it with just 1 teaspoon of sweetener?
Yes, we just use 1 teaspoon.
Hey, if you can get a 12-year-old boy to go for health with 1 teaspoon of sweetener. And what kind did you use?
We use maple syrup also.
The 100% pure?
Yes.
Or the kind you just put over your pancakes in the morning?
Yeah, the kind for pancakes.
So, do you think you have pure? Because Grandma doesn't normally go with the pure. Only in my old age when I need to be healthier. Do you think?
I don't think it's pure. just from the
Okay,
store.
so that's a good thing to know. Now what? Do you mix it?
Well, we do protein and then we'll mix it.
Protein, okay, protein powders.
So we're gonna do two of them with chocolate peanut butter. So for this one, we'll add a scoop of peanut butter to 2 of them.
Okay.
Do you want this one flat?
I'd put that on top, wouldn't you? It'll be harder to mix.
Yeah.
Let's put the protein powder in, make sure you have enough liquid.
So you just do one spoonful.
Okay, 1 spoonful of your chocolate.
This is chocolate peanut butter protein.
Chocolate peanut butter protein. Sounds yummy. Okay.
And then this is coconut protein.
Coconut, yum. Now go ahead and do that, but put different fruits when in the flaxseed. And Grandma and Grandpa will try that. That's perfect.
Okay, so after protein, now we just mix them all together. So as we're mixing them, you want liquid to be a little bit higher than the oats. And this is just even with the oats, so we're gonna add a little bit more almond milk.
Okay, a little more almond milk. So instead of a 1/2 cup, you might just do a couple of tablespoons over a 1/2 cup, right?
Yes.
All right. And your measuring doesn't need to be exact. And in the morning, could you add even more milk if you wanted?
Yes, the milk soaks up in the night. So if you want it to be a little bit more liquidy, you can add milk.
Perfect.
In the morning.
This looks yummy.
And you can never add too much milk. So as much as you need.
It's just like when we eat cereal. Some choose for it to be a little more milky and some choose for it to be a little more solid. Here, do you want to add a little of this?
Yes.
And I'd go ahead and add to the 2 peanut butter ones too, while you're going.
So just a little.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be a science. I can hardly wait to taste this. Looks amazing. Macy's always been one that's been interested in cooking with Grandma. Her mama's an amazing cook, and she has become excellent in the kitchen. She used to always say, "Why do you do this, Grandma? How come? What for?" And I sometimes had the answer. A lot of times I made up an answer. and because of her curiosity, it's made her an excellent cook.
Okay, I'm gonna mix. So after you add more milk, you mix it again and make sure that is how much you wanted. So we'll mix it a little bit more. And then you just add your fruit on top. You don't mix it in.
And your fruit sometimes indicates which protein powder is or what other things have been added, or maybe your flavor of yogurt or whatever, right?
Yes, your protein gives it a lot of its flavor. So, and you can do it without protein too, and it'll just be the flavor of the fruit.
Have you ever done that?
Yes.
Okay. And Nash still liked it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, so now we're just gonna do fruit, so.
Here we go, if this helps you.
Thank you. just as much as you would like.
She's like me. She likes as much fruit as she does. Now, isn't that the chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can mix fruits
Yes.
if you want. Whatever. Peaches next. Okay.
Yes. And you can use any fruit you want. So we didn't have strawberries, so we're going to use strawberry jam, and it will taste the same.
And this happens to be the strawberry fig jam that we had a video on. You might want to go check that one out. Since we have some extra peaches, how about if we put a few peaches in with that strawberry jam?
And I have mixed blueberries and strawberries and raspberries all together in one.
That sounds amazing. Now, you're gonna do peanut butter in the chocolate?
Yeah. So just as much as you want of this. This is in the peanut butter chocolate protein powder. Then in the morning you can mix it all up.
Awesome. Now you've got some nuts there, I see.
Yes. So you can add nuts or you can leave it without, whatever you would like.
You can add it in the morning or you could add it now, right?
Yes, whenever you would.
What you got there?
These are pecans. So I'm gonna add pecans to a few of them, and then we have slivered almonds.
Fabulous.
So I added half with pecans, and we'll add the other half with almonds.
Slivered almonds, okay.
And you can use any nuts you would like.
I'm kind of a nutty person and I really enjoy nuts. So that will be an extra special topping for me. Now, how long do you think this needs to sit?
We usually do overnight, but 6 to 8 hours is what.
I guess I'll have to be patient.
Yeah.
All right.
Now we just put the lid on and then put it in the fridge in the morning.
There we go. And we'll mark those two, okay?
Yeah.
Set them just to the side a little bit so we know that those are the two that have the flaxseed. All the others, doesn't it look just absolutely amazing looking here? Wow. This will be perfect tomorrow morning. I bet all my kids and grandkids are gonna wanna come over for Sunday breakfast. Anytime you hear Macy's cooking, you wanna come over and try it anyway.
Yeah.
She makes amazing cookies, and Grandma gains a lot of weight on her cookies.
So now we're done, and you'll just put them in the fridge.
Awesome. And if they enjoy this video, what are they supposed to do?
Like and subscribe.
That's right. She's our new star.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and hope you'll try it because it is healthy, it's fast, you can grab it on the go, you can eat it at work, you can take it to the next ball game. It's awesome, and it doesn't need to just be for breakfast.
Thank you.